Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing Windows Explorer to refresh because the taskbar is part of that process. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC and look for Windows Explorer and Processes. Once found, right-click and choose Restart. This immediately reloads the shell and often restores icons, pinned apps, and the search box. If Restart doesn't appear or nothing changes, select File, Run New Task, type Explorer. EXE and run it with admin rights. Make sure Windows has time to redraw the desktop and taskbar visually. Next, you dig into services and settings because a misbehaving service or a pending update can break taskbar behavior. Check Windows Update and install any pending updates, then reboot to apply changes. Open Services. MSC and make sure key services like Shell Hardware Detection and User Profile Service are running. Restart them if needed. Then, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, confirm auto-hide, lock, and icon behaviors are set how you want. Once done, test clicking Start, pinned apps, and system tray icons to see if the issue persists. Finally, you perform repairs and resets to fix deeper corruption. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. Let System File Checker repair missing or corrupted system files, then reboot. If problems remain, reset the taskbar layout by deleting the taskbend registry key or create a new user profile to determine if the issue is profile-specific. If all else fails, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party software conflicts. If the taskbar works there, uninstall recent apps or perform a clean boot to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.